Hello, you are welcome to solve this math problem. The question is 5 to the power of x minus 100 is equal to 0. What is the value of x? So solution from here. Firstly, dear student, I can rewrite the problem here, which is 5 to the power of x minus 100 is equal to 0. Now in the next step I can shift this negative 100 to the right side. So it become 5 to the power of x is equal to 100. Now dear student, this is an exponential equation, so we apply logarithm on both sides. It become log 5 to the power of x is equal to log 100. Now, dear student, we know that according to one rule, which is log a to the power of c is equal to c into log a. We can apply this rule on the above equation. So it can become x into log 5 is equal to log 100. Now dear student, I divide both sides by log 5. This log 5 can cancel with this log 5 and the value of x is equal to log 100 divided by log 5. Now in the next step we can write it as that x is equal to log 100 can be written as log 25 times 4 divided by log 5. Now we know that one rule, which is log a times b is equal to log a plus log b. We can apply this log rule on the right side numerator equation. So it can become x is equal to log 25 plus log 4 divided by log 5. Now I can write log 5 separately on each term. So x is equal to log 25 divided by log 5 plus log 4 divided by log 5. Now I am going to the next page. Okay students, so I can rewrite here. Now in the next step, x is equal to log 25 can be written as log 5 to the power of 2 divided by this log 5 plus log 4 can be written as log 2 to the power of 2 divided by log 5. Now in the next step, x is equal to these two come before, so 2 into log 5 divided by log 5 plus 2 into log 2 divided by log 5. Now in the next step, we can write it as x is equal to this log 5 can cancel with this, so 2 plus 2 log 2 base log 2 divided by log 5. Now dear student, here according to one rule, which is log m divided by log n is equal to log m base n. We can apply this rule on the right side equation. So x is equal to 2 plus 2 log 2 base 5. This is the final answer of x. Dear student, I can review the problem, so see carefully and tell me in the comment section that which thing I can improve in my lecture. Also, if you enjoy the video, then like and share with friend and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.